NCRB has ranked Madhya Pradesh first in terms of cases of rapes. According to them, Madhya Pradesh is the highest which has leading the rape cases. I totally disagree with that.
But I do not. Harshit, in what terms do you find our city safe for the girls anymore? Haven't you heard about the rape case taken place in MP Nagar? It was 30th of December and a girl was brutally raped in a car. After that, do you think that the Bhopal city is still a safe city for girls? I don't think so, because after that, my parents were most worried, most concerned about me even longer.
I agree with you, Neha, but as you are saying, Bhopal is not an only city who's facing it all. I mean, where our rapes are, we can see it is a very common crime in every city. So it is very much common. I mean, but it is a shame on us that Madhya Pradesh has scored the topmost rank.
See, about the safety, I have seen that now police does patrolling very much, because now the government have given them a very the super bikes and the cars, which gives them a very good facility of picking up the persons who are just doing such things, so they can really snatch them very fastly. So I don't think so that government is not taking the point.
Yes, Shivam, I agree with you, because nowadays we see that many apps, online apps are registered that we can girls or women that who feels unsafe can register their complaints on that apps. So I feel that by these also, how can NCRB report first Madhya Pradesh as first in terms of rape cases? Why this is arriving?
Arshita, what I think is that it is not a new thing for us, and from last 3 years, NCRB is giving first rank to Madhya Pradesh for crimes against women. And the factors behind it is that there are 3 factors which I think they are the main factors of these crimes. The first thing is police department. Second thing is the government, and third is the society. Both the factors, that is government and police, they are doing their best. We can say that Nirbhaya is a good scheme by the government, but the main thing which comes is that the society has to be aware about this, and the mentality of a person and the society have to change their mentality.
See, I think it's all depend upon our mentality, what type of mentality we have. If we will have a bad, then we will do bad, and if we will have good, then we will never ever try to do bad.
But don't you think we should do something to change this narrow-minded, so awkward mentality? There are many initiatives taken by government, but what should be maximum, and that should be priority, and that should be basic in every school, that the sex education should be taught in each and every school. As I have noticed that everybody have noticed that many of the child abuse cases have registered. So why this child abuse takes place? This only happen in childhood. So why don't we give education to our children in childhood only through sex education?
I think as you're talking about sex education, it should be, according to me, if we talk about sex education, it should be started from home. According to me, parents should not feel ashamed of sharing things about such crimes to their children. Yeah, in the society which we live, parents feel that how their children are going to react if we tell them the brutal truth about the society. But the truth is that that the children, exactly, because they seriously need to know what all is happening around them, and if they are not even knowing about the facts, how will they face the problems?
I totally agree with you, because as the Bangalore molestation case took place, there were many parents at home that shut their TV off just to ignore their children to see that show. Why don't they feel that this case or this matter can be a very huge story, or as a helper in their future, to help them that this should not happen again to them or any of their near or dear ones? It should be stopped immediately, right now, from this right second, and this could be done with the help of education. Parents should teach their sons that about how you should respect a woman, not their daughters, that how should they dress up themselves. It's upon the parents that how they nurture their kids and nurture their family environment to comfort their kids and to also educate them about the society, about the important part about the society, that is women, a girl.
See, actually, what's happening that nowadays the children are growing much faster than their age.
But being in 21st century, guys should respect it and understand if a girl is talking to you or she's spending time with you, it can be friendly behavior of her. It does not mean that she's asking for something or you can sexually just harass her or she's just allowing you to do any such kind of thing. According to me, government has also taken some actions. I'm not totally against government. I mean, there are police stations for women's and different police stations for women every locality, I should say, and it is very much easy to fire and complain about all this. But the thing is that there are some times when even women are not aware that something like this is gonna happen next moment. So I should,
And one of the major drawback of this thing is the society which is pouring salt to your wounds. It is so very bad that every girl is blamed who is being a victim of a rape, that it's not fault of a person who has raped you, but it's the fault of you because you have given him some kind of gestures or you have tempted him or any kind of things. It is not so that they are giving company or they are supporting the girl being a victim of the rape case. Rather, they are leaving not a single area to harass or to molest her. It's not the society that. It is the society that should break the wall of the discrimination among girls and boys. And it's like that if a girl works for later hours, she's not we used to give her a character certificate. But a boy is working for later hour, he's a hard working. There are some kind of discriminations which should kept in mind to be solved.
See, nowadays also what's happening that every brother only thinks that, only he feels that my sister is my sister and the other girl is not my sister. So they just only care about their sisters, and what they do in front of them is that they are just going in front of them with their girlfriends. So somewhere they are also affecting in their girls' minds also.
So you should take an initiative now, being a guy in your group, you should take an initiative to tell your friends that they should not do this. Now coming up to next, if we see according to me, I mean parents somewhere are also the parents also feel a bit ashamed about sharing their experience. I mean, it's not like we are only facing it. Their generation too has faced it. They should share their experience with us. I mean, it will help us a lot. And according to me, if our parents would teach all this, it will make us more friendly with them, and I guess that we can bring change in the society. And secondly, I believe I would ask people to just take initiatives when they see such crimes on roads or anywhere. Mainly what I believe is people, they don't take initiative if they seeing a girl raped or there is an eve teasing. People are they are not interested in being involved in such cases. They are we don't know this and we are not gonna be a part of all this. So according to me, they should take initiative.
Arpita, as you have talked about taking initiative, so I would like to tell you, people notice a girl hugging or kissing her boyfriend on the street, but they totally ignore if a girl is being a victim of a rape case. So these initiatives should be taken places, and these are to be done by a common public only. Nobody's coming to you or nobody's coming to help you anyway. There are many agencies, many organizations which are meant to help, but when the situation comes, your mind totally does not work. So it is the responsibility of common public or the public around who are need to be taken the initiative to help the girl or to support her any of the way.
Nowadays we are also seeing that now our parents only have one point to say on the rape, is that Bollywood have changes the mind of the youths.